Hey y'all, cooking, cutting up, keeping it real. We're doing clean out your pantry, potato chip, pantry clean out chicken, okay? I have taken the remainder of what was in the bags of the salt and vinegar potato chip, a barbecue potato chip, and I used a little bit of the regular potato chip to make this. I put it into my food processor, ground it up real good. I have 2 eggs and a little bit of water, and I'm gonna create a dredge station here. And we're gonna put these bad boys in the oven on 375 for about, 30 minutes or so. You'll just have to kind of watch your chicken. You'll know when it's done. It'll be brown, and you can even take one out and cut it in the middle. I'm gonna use chicken tenders. I think they cook more evenly, and they're a little more, it's easier to control, you know, that they're gonna be done because they're smaller in size. Okay, so let me grab my pan. We'll give this a little spray. Great way to use what you got. We had a cookout for the 4th of July, and I have chips out the yazoo. So this is a great way to utilize them. So we're gonna dredge our chicken tenders. Then we're gonna pack on, and I'm not gonna salt and pepper them because there's lots of seasoning in the chips already. You could use cereal as well if you prefer, like cornflakes. You could put cornflakes with this and it would be great. It's very simple and it's not hard to do, and it almost has the finish of a piece of fried chicken because it's crispy on the outside. We love it around here. I'm gonna have that and a baked potato, some salad, and call it a day. Yes, I am. Yes, I am. But I hate to waste food. I always have. You know, you work hard to pay for food, or you work hard to grow food, and I just hate to see it go to waste. So this is a great way to utilize those leftover chips that everybody seems to leave at your house. That's how it goes around here. Pack it on there as thick as you can get it. And it will be yummy. Without a whole lot of effort. You could do this with pork chops as well. Get a little more out of here. Get back, girl. This is not for you, sister girl. You're gonna get dog food, okay? Maybe an ice cube. She loves ice cubes. Last one into the dredge. And that, my friends, is as simple as that. Let me give my hands a wash. You could use Doritos, Cheetos, cereal, chips. That's going into my oven on 375 for about 30 minutes. And I'll check it for doneness. And Cookie's excited about it too. Thanks for tuning in. Share, like, and comment if you love this page. Have a wonderful evening. Bye now. Cookie, let's set our timer, girl. Thanks for tuning in, y'all. Make it a great one.